Hey YouTube, it's Wolf's Fierce, and today I'm gonna probably take some pictures and slightly clips of my nature center walk. Running downhill. I used to love coming down here as a kid. And this is where Grandma used to take us for summer walks, because it was nice and beautiful, and you can see animals, mostly squirrels, once in a while rabbits. But overall, it's pretty nice to walk in here because you feel like you're out with nature. There's usually ducks out. I wonder where they are. So anyway, I was trying to say, I've been through this nature center since I was a kid. And this is actually where I started to get into my fitness journey. Now there's two trails that we can go on, and I'm going through the 1 mile trail, and we'll go through the 2 mile trail as soon as we hit the crossroad. Morning. Everyone's nice here. That's another reason why I like walking here in the mornings. Going up. See you at the 2 mile trail. Going on the 2 mile trail now. Oop, maybe not. Let's see what it says. Alright, let's go back and go towards the 1 mile. What's up with people talking on their phones while they're walking? We don't do those things. Usually I go on the 2-mile trail, then come back around and do this trail and go through the 2-mile trail again. But since they have that one closed, I might as well do this one twice so I can get my workout in. Then we're walking back home, and that will approximately be 5 miles. Depends if I stop in the middle of my walk, then it will be a little bit longer. But I'm pretty sure we're almost at the end. Then you all have a nice day. Alright, y'all. Have a nice Tuesday. And I'll talk to y'all soon. Alright, YouTube. That was my walk through the nature center. And now it's time to journey home. See y'all then.